Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get an Uber Eats promo code that helped me save a lot of money on my Uber Eats order, completely free. If you're searching for Uber Eats promo codes, Uber Eats discounts, or Uber Eats coupon codes, make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any steps. How to get an Uber Eats promo code. This method is very easy and only takes a minute. First, grab your mobile phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, it doesn't matter. Next, go to the website linked in the comments section below. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type Uber Eats. Click on the result, then scroll down to view the available Uber Eats promo codes and deals. Click the Show Coupon button to reveal your Uber Eats promo code. Keep in mind that Uber Eats promo codes are limited and updated frequently, so you'll need to unlock your personal promo code to make sure no one else uses it before you do. If you want direct access, check out the pinned comment below. I explain step by step exactly where to get your Uber Eats promo code so you can start saving money on your next order.